Oh, hey, good morning, folks. How are you? Wanted to do something a little bit different this morning, so this is it. I'm doing it a little bit differently. Anthony V may or may not appear right there in that chair. He's got some stuff going on right now. I got some stuff going on right now. And we're going to start your weekend update right now. Well, I got a question for you. Is it Crown Royal or Royal Crown, Crown Royal, or Crown Roast? We'll talk about that in just a minute. Listen, if we've never met before, I'm SubaruSteve of your favorite dynamic duo, Anthony V and SubaruSteve, and this is your weekend update. Today is Saturday, March 7th. All day long, till midnight. And then tomorrow, well, we're going to spring forward into the new year, into the new month, into the new year. Yeah, well, for daylight savings time, we're still moving into the new year. That starts early this morning, like at 2 a.m. So make sure those of you who have clocks with batteries, that you change the batteries in your clocks as you set them forward. Spring forward, fall back, right? Right? Yeah. If we've never met before, again, I'm SubaruSteve of SubaruSteve and Anthony V, and our goal is to inform, inspire, motivate, and if we're lucky, we'll bring a smile to your face today, tonight, tomorrow, during the 8 o'clock rewind, maybe on YouTube. Maybe you're watching this into the future and you've come back in time and watched this very episode. If you're on Facebook, tag a friend, and you may win. Lori Johnson won yesterday for tagging friends throughout the week. Lori, our #1 fan, we thank you. It was nice seeing you yesterday. YouTube, do not subscribe. I'm done asking people to subscribe to YouTube. We were stuck at 210 subscribers for the longest time, and somebody went on there and subscribed, putting us at 20211. I don't know what's going on behind me there. Looks like somebody in a Chevy thinks we're open. Go figure, I've got the lights on and I'm doing this. They probably see this in the distance there. Question of the day. What's your favorite donut? Duck Donuts, Dunkin' Donuts, Krispy Kreme, and why? What other kind of donuts are there? Donut shops, I guess bakeries. Down in up in Northern Virginia, there was a place called Brennan's Bakery in Bellevue Shopping Center. Used to love those donuts, absolutely. Oh, I just saw this yesterday. I did not know, you Walking Dead fans out there, The World Beyond. It's coming on Sunday, April 12th, I think at 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. World Beyond, Walking Dead. We'll talk about that in just a couple minutes. Birthdays today. Oh my goodness, birthdays today. And you know who you are. That's right, Bill Case, celebrating a birthday today. Our very own, don't tell anybody, folks, don't tell anybody. Kayla Clark is having a birthday today. True story, for Rizzle. Kayla Clark, happy birthday to you. Melissa Young, met her in Virginia Beach over in the Hilltop area. Melissa Young, got a beautiful little doggy. Good morning, Lori. Melissa Young celebrating a birthday today. Sean Benjamin Carroll. Oh my goodness. Good morning, Lori. Oh my goodness, Sean Benjamin Carroll having a birthday. Taylor Edwards. Taylor, remarkable young man. He's a chef of all things, and he's celebrating a birthday today. Normal Keaton. I like that name, Normal Keaton. Happy birthday, Normal. Judy Fisher, happy birthday to you. Owen Moon. Sean Carroll. Sean, I think you're doing something here. A few minutes ago, I said happy birthday to Sean Benjamin Carroll. Then I have another friend named Sean Carroll. I kind of did a little investigative research, and you know what I found out? You're the same person. You're getting 2 birthday wishes on the same day. What's up with that? You better not get 2 presents from everybody. Well, you know what? Hopefully, I think you should. I could go with 26 different presents on my birthday from every one of you. I'd love that. National days today. National Crown Roast of Pork Day. What the heck is that? Crown Roast of Pork. I think I know what roast of pork. I know what pork is. And if you roast pork, that's great. Do you put Crown Royal on it or Royal Crown? What is that? What's that whiskey called? I know a lot of people like it. A good friend of mine, Big Daddy Ben Houston, likes Crown Royal or Royal Crown. Royal Crown's a soda, right? Crown Royal's the whiskey. I don't know. National Cereal Day. If you're a serial killer, this is your day. No, wait a minute. Well, if you kill cereal in a bowl, If you're that kind of a serial killer, it's National Cereal Day. Go out and have a bowl of cereal this morning. National Be Heard Day. Do you hear me? Can you hear me right now? Be heard, folks. You can do it. You can be heard. Don't let anybody tell you to be quiet. It's your life. Live it the way you want. In a good way, I hope. National. Okay, Lori, are you ready for this one? Lori Johnson, because you're my girl on the streets that knows about these things. Lori brought to my attention that National Pancake Day was on the 25th of February, which it was. And then there was just another National Pancake Day a day or two ago. Check this out. Today is National Flapjack Day. Now, what the heck is a flapjack other than a pancake? And why do they call it flapjack? Did a guy named Jack create it, a pancake, and then he flapped it? And how do you flap a pancake? I don't know. Anyways, Something Subaru brought to you by Anthony V. Talking real quick here, Something Subaru, something we're doing, and one of our promoters, sponsors, is ECP. It's the Auto Armor Entire Car Projection. I'm going to project this protection to you right now, but this is it. Check it out. ECP. I've got it on my Outback. Lori, really. But this is ECP. This stuff is phenomenal. I've got it on my car. It rocks. It really does. I don't know if you want to see that a little closer or not. If you don't want to see it any closer, close your eyes, because I am showing this up right now. But the ECP, you can find out more on my .com site, SubaruSteve.com. That's right. But it basically protects the interior and exterior of your car. And I mean, it makes my car look waxed every time it rains. I love it. The car stays cleaner longer. The inside's also protected against things such as fast food stains. What about slow food stains? Beverages, cracking of the dash, bleach, dyes, inks, makeup burns, rips, tears, punctures, mold, mildew, blood and bodily fluids, and gum. I don't know why we'd be putting blood and bodily fluids in our cars, but if it happens, it's covered. The exterior is also covered by acid rain, bird waste, tree sap, weather, snow, slush, ice, rain. What if it covers slushies? That's like a Slurpee. Sun rays, hard water spots, bug, insects, de-icing agents, fuel stains. Why would you stain your car with fuel? Anyways, that's covered as well. You know, the warranty on this is what's really fantastic is if I have any of those things happen to my car, I just pull it into our service department, hand him the key and say, it's covered by ECP. There's no deductible and it gets fixed. I think that's pretty incredible. Anyways, that's Something Subaru. Today's weather. Yes, today's weather. We're going to have weather. Look out there right now. It's cloudy. It's going to be windy today and high in the 40s, like 46. I brought a coat. It's cold outside, folks. It really is cold outside. Tomorrow, though, we have a massive heat wave coming in. Temperatures are going to be about 10 degrees higher. True story. Temperatures are going to be in the high 50s, and rumor is the clouds will be gone and it'll be sunny. Sunny in the hood. That's right. Sunny, sunny, sunny. Hey, folks, we asked this yesterday and the day before. What would you like to see us do next week? We really want to know. We need some ideas from you, the viewer, and surely you have them. Whether you're watching this now live or watching this later today or catching it on YouTube, what would you, the viewer, like to see more of? Maybe it's me pointing at you. Maybe it's me getting closer to your face and pointing and doing that. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's me getting further away. Maybe it's me finding Anthony V. He's here somewhere. What's up, Yvonne? Yvonne, how are you in Northern Virginia? What's going on in your neck of the woods, my friend? What's happening up there? Type it in the comments right now. Inquiring minds want to know, what are you up to? How's life up there, man? Life hacks? Don't got them. Forgot all about them. Till just now, saw them on the notes. That's why I got notes. I could go get the life hack. Maybe I'll go get the life hack in a second. We'll see. What's happening? Okay, so we talked about briefly tonight, daylight savings time changes. What you see right now will be an hour later normally. I was thinking about that on the way in. So I get up in the morning right now early, about 6:15, the sun's coming up. Tomorrow morning at 6:15, it's going to be dark outside again because we're an hour forward. And today around 5:30, 5:45, the sun's dropping down. Well, tomorrow it's going to be 6:45, 6:30 in the evening. So we're going to start seeing more daylight in the evening hours, which is really going to be cool. But most importantly, if you have somewhere to be in the morning, if you don't set your clock ahead, well, Joel Kirtle will tell you that you'll be late if you don't set your clock ahead. He called me early in the morning and he said, SubaruSteve, don't tell people I called you early in the morning because I'm not really calling you. And I said, okay, I think I'm imagining this. He said, you probably are, which means I probably did imagine it. But he said, you'll be late tomorrow if you don't set your clocks ahead. Watches, cell phones, some things are automatic, some things are not. So you're going to want to make sure you know what the real time is in the morning. What I do tonight before I go to bed, I walk around where I live and I look at every clock and I set them forward. Now, automatic clocks will automatically do their automatic thing, but other clocks, some of us older people have clocks hanging in the house that actually run using a battery. So I replace those batteries as well. Next, Bill Case, happy birthday, my friend. I hope you're doing well. It's been a long time. Nice to see you pop in. We did give you a birthday shout out earlier. You're getting it again because you just got here. Happy birthday, Bill. If nobody else remembers, I did. We did here. So daylight savings time changes tonight or tomorrow morning. Set your clocks ahead or you'll be late. There's no excuse for being late. St. Patrick's Day is coming up in less than 2 weeks on the 17th. And more excitingly, spring begins 2 days later. You're welcome, Bill. Spring begins 2 days later on Thursday, March 19th. Coming up in April, the Super Walking Dead new series starts. I started to say Super Subaru Saturday because that's the 18th. But on the 12th, Walking Dead World Beyond starts. And from what I've got on this, I did a little research. It's going to be The Walking Dead 10 years later and what's going on in the world 10 years after The Walking Dead. I think Rick Grimes went for what, like 6-7 years? So this show's not too far advanced from the original Walking Dead series with Carol and Daryl and Daryl's other brother Daryl and Michonne. It's going to be interesting. I can't wait to see it. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Super Subaru Saturday, going to be Saturday, August 18th. Not August 18th. Why did I say that? I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? I don't know. I just said it. Sorry about that, folks. Super Subaru Saturday, April 18th. We're going to have trophies. Let's walk around. We're going to have some fun stuff. I'll show you the little pamphlet over here, the flyer on our bulletin board here in our dealership on the sales floor. Right here. Here it is. Super Subaru Saturday, April 18th. We're going to have privately owned Subarus here, coffee and donuts. We're going to do the broadcast live. Trophies will be awarded, including free stuff, gift card giveaways. And some people says, who in the world would book a cruise? I booked a cruise for June. I totally have faith that by the summer, this coronavirus will be gone. Heat normally, I don't know how many people get the flu in the summer, but 2021, we are doing the Subaru Guru Cruise. Make sure you find out more about that. You can actually place your deposits now that are refundable. And we're going to go do the life hack real quick too. So follow me. Let's take a quick walk around. We'll do a bird's eye view of the place. There's a bird's eye. I'm getting dizzy. I got to stop that right now. Okay. Oh man, I feel like I'm walking sideways. Look, so when you come into my office in the morning or during the day, we do have this sign up here as well. And there's the parts counter. It's closed right now. The dealership's not open. So we walk into my office, and here's where the normal show is. So I'm gonna do the life hack for you here. Let me grab that. Life hacks. And let's see, there's life hacks. And see if I can pull this off. Hey, good morning. It's your, oh wait a minute, we already started the show, didn't we? Sometimes I get ahead of myself. Sometimes I fall behind myself too. I've got life hacks here right now. And let's see, you want to learn to play the piano? Well, then you should have listened yesterday when Anthony V told you how to learn to play the piano. There's an interactive piano course. Here's the website. One more last time before I throw this away. It's howtoplaypiano.ca. And it's free. And you can learn how to play the piano. There's your birthday gift, guys and gals. Howtoplaypiano.ca. Okay. And before I throw this away, here's your brain teaser. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? What? What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? The answer to Thursday's puzzle. I don't know, folks. We'll find out later, I guess. Okay, and since nobody's here to do this, there, I threw it at myself. Life hacks. Today and tomorrow's life hack, right there. Have a muscle cramp? Drink a couple ounces of pickle juice. Research, who's going to drink pickle juice? I don't care if I have stomach cramps or not, I'm not drinking pickle juice. Research suggests that the vinegar triggers, why not just drink vinegar then? That the vinegar triggers a reflex in the mouth. I guess so, I could puke in my mouth if I'm drinking vinegar. Research suggests that vinegar triggers a reflex in the mouth that alerts the brain to tell the muscles to stop contracting and relax. What? I'm gonna read it again. I'm gonna try to do it seriously without interrupting myself. Have a muscle cramp? Drink a couple ounces of pickle juice. Research suggests, I can't do it. I can't just read it. Research suggests that the vinegar triggers a reflex in the mouth that alerts the brain to tell the muscles to stop contracting and relax. Today's also International Women's Day. Okay, I think that's it. What else do we got? Anything else? I believe I just ended the show. What's going on? Anybody? This is probably a pretty fast one. 16 minutes, I think. Anyways, I want to say I really enjoy your support. I enjoy the fact that you watch us here every day, Monday through Saturday now. I'm starting to wake up before my alarm clock because I've been getting up and doing the show almost every day now. Tomorrow I look forward on Sunday morning, setting the clocks forward an hour to still waking up before my clock goes off. Fortunately, I got plenty of coffee to get me started. I need to sell a car today, folks. If you're in the 757, pick up that phone and call me at 757-406-4701. Anthony V is going to answer that number. Just say, can I talk to SubaruSteve? Hopefully he'll give you my number. Again, call me at 757-406-4701. If you want to know where Anthony V is right now, dial the digits 406-4701. I'm going to repeat that one more time for you. Write it down. He'd appreciate your calls. He's actually here somewhere. Number is 757-406-4701. And ask for me. It'll be great. Call him all day today. He'd probably appreciate your calls. What's up, Charles McCook? Nice to see you, my friend. Hope you're doing well. You're looking good. I hope you feel as good as you look. Don't forget, call me on Anthony V's phone at 757-406-4701. He loves it when I do that. We will talk to you soon. And again, nobody's here to throw paper at me, so I do it myself, right? I do it myself, but my wife won't let me. I'm not sure what I meant by that. Happy birthday to those of you out there celebrating birthdays today. One more shout out: Bill Case, Kayla Clark, Melissa Young, Sean Benjamin, Carol, Taylor Edwards, Normal Keaton, Judy Fisher, Owen Moon, and Sean Carroll again. And then I had a name on here for AB to read down there at the bottom. Right above my finger. I was going to try to get him to say that name right there, Jiminy Crickets. And I was going to say, did you just say Jiminy Crickets? I don't know. He might not have said it. He might have said it. Who knows? Anyways, here's throwing the ball at you, kid. That's 1 and 2. And we're done. Have a great day, folks. Remember, it's a choice.